Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can fix the error that causes WhatsApp images not showing up in your gallery. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes under this video and write your comments. So friends, let us get started with you. And if you have a problem that images from the app in WhatsApp are not saved, and then they are not visible in your gallery, then I'm going to show you how you can fix it. This is most likely due to the fact that you have saving turned off. For example, media files, for example, over a network. Now I'll explain what I'm talking about. First of all, friends, open the WhatsApp app, then go to Settings at the bottom. Here, friends, select this option. Next, you can find a window like this. Auto-save media files. And as you can see, there are photos, audio, videos, and also documents. And let's say if you're not saving photos, then go to Photos and select Wi-Fi and mobile data. And you'll exit. You can customize other settings in the same way. Because if, say, you're mainly accessing WhatsApp via mobile data and not via Wi-Fi, then that's the reason why your photos or other media files, they're not automatically saved in your gallery. And after you change this one small setting here, this problem can be solved. That's how, friends, you can easily fix the error due to which images in WhatsApp app are not showing in your gallery. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you, friends. Please write your comments, give your likes, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.